Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Okay guys and girls, let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. It's time to update our review. On Monday, after the sell-off, we have prepared actually the medium-term trading plan as we suggest how situation could turn here. So just to remind you, our suggestion is that we have the significant chances to see two-step downside retracement somewhere to the 42 area. The 618 support might happen. At least currently we do not see any reasons to cancel this trading setup, so we do not see any signs that it already is failing. So currently everything stands according to our trading plan. This is compounding retracement. In a very short term, we suggest a response as a deep retracement reaction on the first conference support area. It's around 50-51 area. Despite that, overall price action behaves a bit differently compared to what we thought initially, but still the chance on this deep retracement back to the 58-59 area still holds. So in general speaking, we do not we keep the same trading plan intact currently. And this trading plan suggests few ways how you could deal with it. The more simple way is just to wait for a second leg, take the most part of your position here, so take the investment around 40 area, and keep it for long-term investment purposes. Alternatively, you could split the position every time when we see the compounding retracement when we talk about this. Since currently market stands in the confidence, this is strong support. Market stands at the daily average sold. The chances on the pullback are also solid. And it means that here, for instance, you could consider taking the 1/3 of your trading volume around this area. In this case, once market starts bouncing up here back to the 58-59 area, you move stuff to the break even and see what will happen. If market drops later, you are out on the break even stop and take the bulk of your position right here. It's no loss for you. If somehow fundamental background will change, overall environment, some news will be released and Bitcoin starts running up from here, for instance, again, Elon Musk will buy another few billions in the Bitcoins and Bitcoin starts running, you at least will get some position. It's very good that we have the plan, but every time exists some probability that something will go different with the trading plan. Hopefully we will get it sharp and precise as we have drawn here, but we need to consider different scenarios. So, and here you at least have the two options. Take more active trading with this level, trying to involve yourself in this possible retracement, or conservative approach is just do nothing and wait for a deep retracement, watching for a 40 even area, for a 40-42 area. So that's what we have currently on Bitcoin on the daily chart. Speaking on the intraday chart performance, let's take a look. Actually, we are getting the pattern that we discussed. So if you remember, once this trunk has happened, we said keep an eye on the possible garbage cheaper to buy pattern here. Personally, to be honest, I was hoping to get some more precise pattern with this clear A, B, C, D retracement and upward reversal a bit earlier, but you can see market has formed here deeper downside action, the spike back to the lows, and this pattern also got this cheaper to buy. You could treat it as a double bottom, for instance, or something of that sort. This will not change the overall idea. The fact that the bottoms are equal, this is additional bullish sign for the market. So, and I think that the setup for a possible bounce up from here to the 59 area is still valid. So market currently, as you can see, stuck between the daily confidence and the oversold area and 4-hour time frame confidence resistance. So you can see a first test minor pullback. Second test is dropped back down, moving, trying to go higher. So that's the reason why we still think that chances the market could retest this area and shows a bit deeper retracement exists on the market. So whether to trade it on the long side currently is up to you. So I'm just explaining you what the option you have for dealing with the long entry. So you could make the decision by yourself whether you'd like to do this or not. For taking the short position right from here, well guys, this is not our primary subject because we're mostly searching chance to go long on the daily chart. Well, and taking a short position is kind of the sub-product, especially on the bullish background that exists in general. Well, that could be a bit risky, but theoretically, it's not forbidden. So, for instance, if you will see here some clear bearish signs, or you think that it's acceptable for you trying to take the short with the standing relatively tight stop, well, this is not forbidden, so you could try to do this as well. It's hoping that we will get the second leg of the retracement. So that's overall view on the Bitcoin. Currently, everything stands the same as we discussed on Monday. Major plan still stands the same. Here's just a few details that might be useful to you in your daily trading situation. So let's see what the progress we will get in a few couple of weeks probably here.